Check 1 2 2 2 2 2. This is a test of the Plantronics GameCon 777. Test pass Just checking the popping of the P's. Let's read the cover of ESPN magazine here. What makes a player choose a team? Charities, coaches, girlfriends, moms, weather, cars, hometowns, babies. It's not always about winning. You'll notice it sounds just a little tinny. The microphone's all the way extended to my mouth. So it's not that the microphone's further away, it's just a little tinny. Obviously this isn't a broadcast quality microphone, but you probably could do some recording with it, some voiceovers with it if you add a little bass, maybe in production, post-production. Check 1 2, check. Sounds pretty good. Build quality, the plastics, it's thick plastic, but it's still plastic. Headphones are pretty good. Anyway, that's the mic test.